Here we go again. Am I gonna work on the title screen again today? Maybe.
Am I? Am I?
Am I? Oh, that's my question for myself. Let's see. Flying through the clouds, flying through the clouds. Not really sure how to get a very visible looking play button into this scene though. Let's see what I can do here. Let's add some UI. Button. Holy hell, that's a giant button. Oh right, because it does it that way. So to hell with that. Canvas. Switches camera. Using the main camera. There we go. Button. Why can I not see this button now? Some Z positioning thing. No. No. What's wrong with the button? Also scale screen size. There it is. It's just behind everything for some reason. Oh right. No. That's there's a different reason for this. Sorting layer. Here we go. UI.
Are you finishing up the cloud thing?
I'm just doing some more work to the actual menu now. Let's see here. 40. Okay, just move the button. Look at that. Play button.
Button!
Let's get rid of the background.
Is that the switch you use to activate the butt? Butt on.
Baton.
Activate your butts. Hold on to them.
Let's see, which one should I use? This one?
That one looks cool.
The crazy one? Really
The other one, I guess, fits in a little more, but that one's more bold.
laid on thick. It's even got a bold. Oh, man.
Holy shit. That's a chunk.
Oh, there we go. Now we got action going.
Oh, shit. That button thinks it's better than us now.
Bold and italic. Nah, just italic.
But.
But.
Butto. Leave it on Butto.
Butto.
New. It just restarts the game over and
So
over.
it should not wrap. Turn off rich text. Turn off that. I could scale it down a little bit. Probably 0.5. I don't really like the font that much. Let's see. Some background color. Jeez. I just imagine you won't be able to see it much with the clouds. I'm not going to make the background big.
Give it a border.
So, let's shrink this guy a little bit. Oop, 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 oop.
Yeah, there you go. Slim. There you go. That looks good.
A little better. So the UI system does have like anchors and stuff. I just don't know why the actual game editing doesn't.
Because it's not on a 2D plane, right?
I mean, I can force it to be by making the game 2D. But yeah, it's technically not. Highlighted color versus all that stuff. I don't know. It still doesn't look right. I don't like the font. It looks too much like RoboCop or something. So I'm gonna go to Photoshop and try to figure out what this font was.
There's no way it's a picture. Oh, you're gonna try to just compare.
I do have a picture. Oh no, I'm in the wrong folder.
I think it was like a modified Coder's Crux.
It wasn't Coders Crux. Is it in here, Kickstarter,
Was it something digital?
labels. Here we go. Alright, so here, this is the Kickstarter font I was using. It's the same font as the logo. This is called Disposable Droid, which is a font I don't actually have, but it's able to render it for some reason.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
That's what I was just using. Yeah. Okay. Disposable droid font.
Okay, so I now have to verify that these buildings are actually using a proper.
I guess I want all of them. So I can put this. I think I thought I had a fonts folder here. Oh, that's not where to go. It's supposed to go here? No. Stuff.
Lines of green. Green.
Port assets. You know what? Let me just actually put this into here. Nope. Here.
Sometimes the best ruler is not a ruler at all.
Okay.
Okay, so that means
That's kind of annoying. Okay. Copy this font. Labels. Or here. Let me go here. Diamonds. Where did I just put this thing? Fonts. And then let me copy it to the actual project. Is that it? There we go. And now we can jump back here. And go here and go font. Nice. 40. One.
okay.
Alright. Not bad. Guess I could just make the buttons images instead. That would be nicer overall.
Again.
Choose a nice bright blue. Oh, okay. What about this blue? Whoa, that's terrible. Dark blue. That's not bad if I could do an outline. Which I can't. I can add a material. Can't really do effects, can I? Unless I add another text. Right. slightly bigger. And make it white. Same size, but that looks terrible. That looks weird. Maybe I just won't use buttons. Color tint, sprite swap, button image, target graphic. So I can make it a graphic. Let's do it.
Right. I got my grid work here. Let's get rid of the sky. We don't need
Let's
that.
make it bigger actually. 500. Right. Game.
Probably just wasn't better enough.
Maybe like this. Can I kind of center this? Where's the guide? There. Can I center this? There. Disposable droid, huh? Disposable. Why is it not showing up? Oh, because I didn't actually install the font in the system.
Logoing, shift player, the enemy is the robot. This is figuring out the build.
Disposable droid. Let's install this. Okay. Now it's here somewhere. There it is. Regular. How come it didn't change? Because I didn't have it selected. Oh, God.
Okay,
What the hell? Select it, damn it. There we go. Why does it look so bad now? Let's get bold italic in here. It's the one I really want there. Regular, come on. Bold italic. It's not going to be red. It's also not going to have a damn background. Could use something like that. Ah, God. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do... Not sure what damn crazy gradient this is. Something I was making up a while back. Basic. There we go. Okay. Really what I need is just whatever this same color is but darker. What? That's not the color that I sampled. Something like this. Yeah. And with a white stroke. Ah, okay.
The hell did you just say?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Alright, export. So we got title screen, or like menus. But new game, normal. So let's go into the game here. Instead of these being text, I'm going to add a 2D sprite. Or I could just give the button a different picture. Button, new game normal. With some alpha. There we go, yeah. Not sure why it's all shrunk like that.
Cool.
Really weird. Okay.
No, that sounds like it was.
Is that close to how it looks? It's close to how it looks. Okay. It's a bit shorter. Tiny bit taller. Alright, let's change the menus. That looks better. So now when I hit play, what does this look like? Okay. It's rendering a little weird. I guess it's fine. Maybe I need higher quality graphics.
New game.
Maybe it is being stretched out for some reason. What if I do something weird here? So, 10. That didn't do anything. High quality. I'm gonna put this thing, oh, the logo. Let me move this to menus here. High quality. White. Oh yeah, that helps. Okay. Still looks a little weird. Maybe that's what it really looks like though. Yeah, it kinda does. Okay, it has like dark blue, turquoise, dark blue, and then bigger. Let me change the gradient again.
Oh fuck! That's the wing of the ship.
So like a weird dark blue. And then maybe like a dark turquoise like this here. Maybe a little lighter. A little more here, there. It's close. Okay, so that goes actually on the other side here. Here. Somewhere there. Another one. And then another one that switches back to this same color. Why can't I just maybe. And then this same color again. Okay, hold on. Whatever that is. Also put that here. Right. Hard cut off there, there. And that goes down to about here. Something about the colors are off. Should it be in caps? We'll see. But this color is off. More vibrant, maybe. Let's see here. That's close. Okay. So just a little bit of gradation there.
You have bird sounds in there now?
Where?
In the game?
No, why?
Were there actual birds near you that made noise?
I don't hear any.
Could have swore I had. Well, it was only for like a bit. I could have swore I just heard some birds chirp.
No, not here. Must be in your apartment.
In my apartment?
Well, that's where your ears are.
Okay.
So that's where you
So
heard
when
it.
when I put on the TV, all that stuff's happening inside my apartment.
That's where you're hearing it.
Hearing it in my mind's eye, bro.
Or is it your eyes, mind?
Whoa, eyes, mine shut.
Mine eyes is shut.
Yeah. It's like the German version. Ooh, ja, sexy party. Mysterious. You don't know who I am.
That's close enough. Okay. Say okay to that. I want to see what it looks like though if I do all caps. New game. Kind of like it lowercase. Continue. 9, 8.
Don't mind if I do. Da, da, da.
Okay, so now this is updated. Oh god, it looks ugly. Why does it look so bad?
We died. What? Who has that? Nobody.
One, the overlay color is still a little off. Let's change it.
It's right there.
There. Let's change this gradient just a bit. A little bit darker here in this color. A little bit less dark. There we go.
A little bit darker now. A little bit.
Is that what it was? No, it's the other one that's supposed to be darker. So let me undo that. Cancel. Shit. Okay, how about that? Okay. So that more closely resembles the original. Yeah. Man.
Put a little guy looking at Sky here like, what the fuck? I kind of want to put people like looking out of windows being like, oh my god.
Where's that?
Oh, on like the bottom left, right behind the ship. I put a little person.
Oh, okay. In a window.
Window.
I see it.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Oh, I guess I can add your display on, let's see, Discord. Yep, there it goes. It works. There's your little artboard.
Oh, because you have pop up now.
Yeah, it works again. Oh yeah, so let me save again. Overwrite it, come back to Unity, and it looks better, but it's not great. Maybe bold italic is too much, and it should just be regular italic.
I've been trying to keep italic down for years. It's not gonna work. Strong italic people will not bend. No, actually, that shit is drawn. So
Come on. Give me the italic. Give me that jet dry.
Give me that jet dry. What a wacky dude. He was like he had
I'm
the
your
kind of
dishwasher.
personality of, yeah, Slim Jim. Like,
Yeah.
that's the kind of personality. Yeah. Like the guy from Small Soldiers, the spinny one.
Oh god, yeah, a little bit. Okay. Whatever. This is the thing. It's gonna have a glow around it when it's selected, so let's do a glow. At least I guess it's gonna have. I'm gonna test out a glow really quick. Can't see it with this fucking background. Let's go ahead and color that in. Outer glow. Nope, it's gotta be bigger than that. Spread. How will that look? Export. So this will be hover, I guess. Hover. And then I'll get out of here. And I will go to this button and I will say highlighted. Is that what highlighted means? I'll use that. Hover. 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 Did not know I could do that. Cool. Selected disabled. I'm not going to do anything. Let's see what that looks like.
Hover, hover, hover.
Is it working? It is working.
Did you hover around for beauty beauty?
But you can't see any of that. Oh, God.
Don't see this here?
That glow is basically meaningless. Alright, well, that's not what it's going to be.
I'm bringing circular windows back, bro.
Circular windows. I don't know if they were a thing, but
They're in there. Neither is half of these buildings.
I get that, but you never claimed you were bringing those back.
What, the buildings?
Yeah.
I'm bringing these buildings back. They're here.
Yeah.
They're here. Get used to it. Choo 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 choo.
People said it wasn't possible.
Until I just gone up and done it. I've only gone and done it.
Have you done it? I didn't think so.
He said he did it. He's a murderer. No, that's not what I meant. He said it. He said he done it.
This is a regular whodunit.
We got you on tape, you sick son of a bitch.
My name is Dunnit,
You-
Professor Hugh Dunnit.
Yeah. I said I'm Hugh Dunnit. I'm Hugh Dunnit. Take this man away. Get this man out of my space. And his wife is like, all these years, I always thought.
What's the wife's name? Sheila Dunnit? No. Ira.
Well,
that's
at
a
this point, it
guy's
should
name.
be Agatha, and then like when he gets taken away, she gives that crazy look. And it's Agatha all along.
I'm trying to come up with a good hover look for the button. So far, this is. I had an outer glow, but you can't see it at all. So I went with like
No, you
a
can't.
bar. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
And I think it looks bad. Maybe just a
Doesn't look
bounding
that great.
box, like a bounding frame, would be better. Like
yeah,
just
you
a
could do that.
square. Okay.
Do it behind.
Yeah. Hold on. So
And
my plan is to just do a stroke with no fill and probably a different color.
okay. Maybe make the stroke thicker then. Yeah.
More?
And make it inside. Do the position inside.
Oh, so it doesn't have the rounded.
Yeah. There you go.
That's better, yeah. I'm not sure I like the color though. Maybe it needs the gradient
exactly.
overlay instead. Oh shit. Can you do a gradient stroke?
Yep. Fill type.
Oh,
Fill type.
you're right. Look at that. Where was that gradient that I had? Why can't I choose that? Shit.
It should be. Hold on.
If I go to
Sometimes
gradient, I have it here. How do I save that? Do I have to save it or something?
I don't know.
I guess I'll create a new custom. This will be Sky Hero title. All right.
Gradient.
There it is. Okay, so let me go back
Gradient.
to although this looks kind of interesting, almost like metallic, like I don't know, like almost like cheesy early days of the internet buttons.
Yeah, that's like Web 2.0.
Web 1.0, bro. All right, here we go. There we go. Now it actually has the same gradient as the word. I don't know. Let's try it. It's also not centered correctly. And probably not sized correctly. There it is. Now it's centered.
Yeah, personally, I probably would have done something like a gray square behind it and change the whole text to white.
Okay, that could also work. Yeah. So let's see. I'll try both. Let me see if it. All right, so that's that. Not that great.
Looks better than the.
It's better than the strike through, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing if there were more options, it would be a bit better to like when as you're flipping through them, what that looks like would be helpful as well.
Yeah.
So let me just add the same one twice. How about that? Right, and move it down here. There
So you
we
can
go.
compare 'em.
Button. And then just hover over them. There we go. It's not terrible. Could be better.
No, it's not bad.
What do you think? Any other suggestion? You said
Oh,
something.
just the one I had. Yeah, the
Just a square
Is
with
it?
the white text instead.
Yeah. So like a gray square, or like you could even do the blue square. You could give the blue gradient to the square, and then change the whole text white.
Can I make the stroke only on specific sides?
Uh, not here.
You mean in Photoshop?
Yeah,
You mean not in Photoshop?
Illustrator maybe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I see
not
what you
exactly.
mean.
Not in Photoshop.
What's this plus button do? Oh, you can double stroke?
That's always an option.
Whoa. Deathstroke. Um, blend, no. Position inside. Center. That's weird. Yeah, if you do outside, it looks like a license plate. I do like it. I like that you can see the game through it. Like the background and the clouds through it even when it's selected.
Well, you can make it semi-transparent too.
That's true too. Oops. Wonder what the white box would look like actually, with the border. All kinds of possibilities. I like that Unity can hot reload the assets even while the game is running. That actually does not look as good as with it being see-through.
It's super hot.
It looks way better when it's completely gone. It looks better when it's gone. That's interesting.
That means you shouldn't have it.
I don't know.
It's
How do I know what it looks like if it's gone?
probably exactly, but it means that you don't want it on it because it looks better because it's gone.
You can add a tree texture. Oh yeah. Wait, did it just get embossed? Yeah, it did. Oops. Free transform. Let's get a little tighter there. I also need to make sure that if I'm using this bounding box thing, that it's the same width for every single item in the menu. So I should write those out, whatever those are going to be. Duplicate, Control D, there we go. Control Shift D, there we go. New game, this one's going to say, oh, that looks kind of cool. Continue? Should it be a question mark?
Put a U. Spell it with a U.
It is spelled with a U. Oh. Got it. Replace one of the letters with a U. I mean, that is how it sounds.
Yeah, exactly.
Continue? Continue.
It's like, like in the Gator commercials where they ask, "Is it in you?" That's what they're referring to.
Yeah. Is it in you? Continue. Oh man, those marketing guys, they dropped the ball on that one.
They really hated their wives. It's like, hey Janice, you inspired me for a new marketing campaign.
Continue. Okay, so now I can set this up as button 1. New game. Continue. These are gonna have to be smaller though.
What can we do here? Fence. We can get some fence in this town.
You want a fence? You got it.
Oh no, I take no offense. That taught me this. I live by it. I die by it. Do not give me fence. I will not.
I used to live by a fence.
I will live by the fence and I will die by the fence because I'm kind of attached to
What
the
the
fence permanently.
fuck happened here? Why is this one all sized correct and this one not?
Offsides, 3 points, 10
They're the
yards.
same.
3
Oh,
MMs.
because I did that whole
4 days.
pixels per meter thing.
6,000.
So these should all be 10 pixels per unit. I don't know. I'll just put it back at 100. Doesn't seem to matter. And then they're supposed to be high quality, and they're supposed to be point. Wrap mode, mirror, cloud. Input texture alpha, source alpha transparent, RPNG file, gamma value, generate bitmap, maybe.
Knick, knack, patty whack, give a dog a bone.
Oh boy! Alright. What the? What is the difference?
Cloudless day. Cloudless day. This is a cloudless day!
Both of these.
What if in the game you have it check the current weather of where they're at? And the background changes depending on what time of day it is. Whoa! It's raining outside and in my game!
Oh, did I actually?
No.
Oh, because I did change it. I made the stroke small. Wait, which one looks cooler though? I just never updated the sprite. Maybe this width, but thicker. Let's see, bigger screen here. Gotta get some title screen music, dude. Just don't have any. Gotta hit up Newgrounds.
Yeah. Make it up, be like title, this is title.
I just record myself.
Yeah. Title. Title music. Buy yourself a harp and just hit like 3 chords over and over. If you only hit 2 notes, it sounds like you left the car door open or like the keys are still inside or something.
Remember watching Initial D? Like their cars had like alarms in them whenever they would like have too high of like RPMs, I guess. Be like ding 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 ding.
Yeah. It was a very similar sound, yeah. It's like, hey, your car is about to fucking explode.
What?
It's like a true racers are made when integrity is pushed and we go past them. It's like, yeah, I'm a car. Kaboom! And just blows up. Your will of the warrior does not transfer into your car. Because you lack discipline. You're not the will of the warrior.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, it has a selected. Oh, that's kind of dumb. Can I just not use the selected state? I hate that. Disabled sprite? Weird. So I click on one of these, it's supposed to just...
City of Atlanta.
Welcome to Atlanta Park.
Welcome to Atlanta's park. Glug, 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 glug.
All the bubbles.
Bro, bro, bro.
That's good stuff. Okay, we got some buttons. It only took me 45 minutes to make 2 buttons that don't do anything. Let's get some audio in here. Where's BFX? BFXR. Here we go. Let's do some audio synthesizing. Let's do hit.
Oh, oh.
What was the last one? No.
Ooh, that one's way off.
Oh, it's perfect. Alright, export wave. This is going to go to... Where is that folder? Here, Unity, Sky Hero,
Unity.
Sounds, SFX, menus, select. Alright. I hope that Unity supports audio on here. No, navigation, automatic, horizontal, vertical. Looks weird. Do I have to...
Electromagnetism.
Do I have to manually do like an on hover sound? Do they have... Let's see. Unity button life cycle. Let's see if that's a thing. No, 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 no. Unity UI elements. Unity UI button on hover sound. How to add button sounds, hover plus click. Unity, I don't want to watch a YouTube video. Make sound on hover, click. Let's see if we got that. Okay, play sound. I'm not particularly interested on GUI. No. Better off using the new GUI. Make a button in that with a pointer enter event trigger. Where the hell's that? Add an event trigger component to your button. Oh, that's... Where's that? This is on click though. Oh, event trigger component. Okay, here we go. I didn't know about this. Oh, this is like a totally different event trigger. Add new event type. Look at that. Pointer enter. Got it. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do a UI button. So let's do C# script. Menu button. Not sure why I underscored that. So we're gonna say play sound, play hover sound, and we're gonna say that there is an audio source somewhere. Oh, I can also use my sound effect, yeah, thing. Anyway, so play hover sound. So I just need audio clip. Play hover sound, or just hover sound. Hover sound, and then sound effect create play hover sound. So now both of these guys can have the menu button, and the hover sound will be select. And when this happens, okay, so then I'm gonna have to do this one by one. So event trigger, yeah, not on click, sorry. Event trigger, pointer enter on this guy, menu button, oh, probably has to be public or something, huh? Public. Menu button. Play hover sound. Cool. Although, yeah, I might as well just put this in a menu controller class or something. Menu controller. Let's do that. Let's spell controller correctly. And I'm going to give it the menu button script, but I'm going to rename the menu button script to menu controller. And it's going to be renamed to menu controller. Okay. And then I can adjust both of these things to have, where is it? Same event trigger, do that. They don't need menu controllers. This guy doesn't need his on click thing. He does need the event trigger. Event trigger. Okay, so for both of them, multi-object editing not supported, whatever, fine. Pointer enter. Oh man, coming down to the wire. Menu controller. Menu controller. Play hover sound. Pointer enter. Hover sound. Oh man. I don't hear anything. Is pointer enter even happening? I'm guessing not. Should be playing a bunch of sounds. Is there an audio listener? There is. Okay. So pointer enter doesn't do anything. Let's see. Debug.log. Play hover sound. Okay. Let's check console. It's supposed to be playing it. don't see the objects getting created though. Okay, so what does sound effect play do? If clip is null, do nothing. Oh wait, did I set it? I didn't. Select. Damn you. Of course that would happen. Not quite. I don't know how much I like this. Let me get a different sound. Also, it's really damn loud.
You do hear it now?
Maybe that. Something super dull. It's a little better. Alright, cool. How about when I hit new game or I select one of them? Let's see here. Ugh. Huh. It's not too bad. It's a little better. Decay time a little longer. Okay, not too bad. I'll try that. Export wave. This will be, I guess that should have been called something else. Select, this will be confirm. Let's see here. So grab more sounds. So menu controller, we have confirm. Play confirm sound. Confirm. Confirm. And that will be on click, I guess. On click for both of these things will be menu, oops. Menu controller. But it probably shouldn't do that. Yeah, let me just, instead of doing play confirm, I'm just going to do, there'll be different functions. There'll be one for confirm play, or sorry, new game. and they'll both play the confirm sound. Oops. You will not play confirm, you will confirm new game. And you will confirm continue. Which really just means they're going to play that cool sound. Why the hell is it doing it? I didn't click on anything, I'm just hovering. Oh, because I changed it. Ah, I'm so dumb. Okay. So that's not what this is supposed to be. This is supposed to be play hover sound. This is supposed to be confirm continue. Same thing here. This is supposed to be play hover sound, and this is supposed to be confirm new game. Alright. I'm gonna disable all the buttons after that. Okay. I guess I should have it fade out. I should do like some scene transitions. Does Unity have built-in scene transitions? I'm just asking the ether. Okay, what's actually happening here? They actually have a UI image doing this. Okay. Music crossfade. Animator override controller. Weird. They're using an animation controller to animate crossfade music. That's creative, I guess. Okay, so if I disable the buttons, let's see what happens. Menu controller, whoops. We'll find all buttons. Let's see here. Disable all buttons. Button, oops. Guess I need UI. Button, buttons, find objects of type, button, each button, buttons, b.enable false. Disabled, disable, enable, it's a button. Can I do on pointer down, on deselect? Find selectable on up is active. Select some tools. I guess is there an official way to do it? Maybe. Disable button. Disable UI buttons. Interactable. God. Interactable. Nice. Okay, let's see if they still get the on hover events though. They're not interactable. No. Still works. Well, I'm assuming that you know what? I never even called this. Damn, disable all buttons. So let's do that. Still plays the sound. Okay, can I know who's calling this function? What do you call those things? Let's see here. Event trigger. Event trigger caller. Pointer event data. On drop on end drag initialize. Pointer clicked. Callback add listener. By default, the event trigger only supports method calls to take 0 or 1 parameter. Since you're invoking send message through the event, you're only invoking the method send message string as opposed to the overloaded send message string object. As such, you're not able to send the required parameter to show tooltip based event data, and you're not receiving errors. Providing reference to calling object via event trigger. Oh, just add object there. Here. So I can make sure it's a button, maybe, huh? I don't know. If caller dot interactable, play the damn sound. Okay, so now I have to do some stuff here, right? Missing. Oh, now, okay, there we go, button. And this is just going to be itself. There we go. Same thing here. Play hover sound, button. This is going to be itself. And then it just won't happen anymore. And then I also shouldn't be able to click on them either. Perfect. And then I can slowly grab their images. Okay, let's do that. I could flicker it. Okay. Selected button or something. Button. Confirmed button. Confirmed button. Then flicker rate to flicker counter. Jeez. confirm button dot get component image dot color equals this color. Oops. Or I could just disable it. Enabled equals the inverse of it. Yeah, something like that. What am I setting to 0 though? Flicker counter, right? Yeah. Not really working. Okay. Because I didn't do confirm button equals. Oh shit! Now I need that in here too. Right? Button color. It's almost doing all the exact same thing. Confirm button. Okay. Oh right, yeah, it's like broken now because of what I did. Confirm new game itself. Confirm continue with itself. Let's see here. Oh, that's not working like I thought. Anything breaking? No? Oh, also, why is it a float? And also, I'm not incrementing it. That would help. Flicker counter plus. Whew, boy. Yeah. What do you think of this? You can't hear it, but there's awesome audio.
Oh, cool. I like it.
Okay, so got this going on. You can't hear it, but it's like beep, 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 beep. And then when I click on it, it's gonna be like do 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 do. But check the effect that I added.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah, classic. And I guess the screen's gonna fade out now.
Nice.
Oh, Unity. Definitely feel like we should get into another project after I finish this up.
I'm down, man. I saw you showed me that link to the a jam that was happening.
Oh yeah, I just don't know about that, man. Like, based on what it sounds like, they're just like, oh yeah, once we open the submission window, submit your game. People could have been working on games for like 5 years, and they're like, finally, I can get funding by submitting it. My totally awesome game I've been working on forever.
Yeah, but I mean that's always the case. People can do that with
Yeah.
game jams normally.
Yeah, but you can
So it's
tell,
like,
man.
of course you could tell.
In actual game jams.
Oh, sure. I mean, if those.
But I'm wondering if that's part of it, right? If that's like expected that people will be doing that. I'm not saying they're cheating. I'm saying
They probably take it into consideration at the very least.
like is that part of the jam? Like, yeah, we want people to submit their games that they've been working on for a long period of time
Right.
because it's like a 1 month window of submission.
Yeah, I mean they're calling it a game jam though, so you would assume that they would keep some of the
Yeah,
rules.
maybe they don't know what a game jam is.
possible. They might just think, "Oh, we came up with this really cool name for this thing, a game jam."
Yeah, you just take a bunch of people's games and you jam them all together into this big submission.
Yeah.
Genius, right? High five, marketing team. High five. Let's see. All right, yeah. Let me add the fade to black here, and then change scenes. All right. So black overlay, I guess. How do I do this? Image. Does it need a sprite? Does it need anything? Does it need to be on the canvas? I guess so. There we go. It's fucking gigantic. I also can't see it for some reason. Is it like on a weird Z position? Yeah. There we go. Alright, so what I need to do is to do so let's get I guess also when confirm button is set, same thing. So color overlay color equals overlay black overlay dot color dot. You think I should do a black overlay or a white overlay? Fade to white or fade to black? Fade to black makes the most sense.
Or what?
For confirming like new game and then, but I guess I could see.
I think white. I think
White
white
could be
makes
cool.
the most sense.
White could be cool too, yeah. Maybe black if they pick credits. I don't know. But white makes sense because it's like you're flying, and
Yeah. It's almost like finally the clouds are enveloping you.
yeah, makes sense. Oh, that would also be awesome. Just like throw in a fuck ton of clouds. Eh. Probably just name this overlay, huh? Menu controller. It's also named black overlay. Really jumped the gun by naming the variable black overlay. Overlay. The serialized name stayed the same. Okay. Oh, 'cause it's still like that. Okay. Overlay color dot a plus equals time dot buff time. If overlay color dot a is greater than 1, then we're gonna switch scenes. So we're gonna need some scene management. Scene manager dot made scene level 1 overlay dot color equals overlay color. What happened to my buttons? They're not interactable anymore? Did that like permanently turn that off? No? Interactable. Oh, because of the overlay? Ah, it's like do raycast target, maybe. Yeah. God, what's with this damn camera offset? If I load scene 1, everything is correct. Level, main camera, HUD, message box, event system. Does something break there? Let's see. When it loads a new level title. What? Now it loaded it fine? Man. Now I'm confused. Something's wrong with Unity. Alright, well I don't want it to go to that extreme. Could it ever... Can I set the value to something bigger than 1? What will happen? Oh yeah. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's supposed to actually go to intro scene. It's supposed to go to intro scene. Intro scene. Nice. Blah, 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 blah.
Did you add sound to the speaking?
No, I badly want to though.
Go for it.
Dude, bro. I don't really know how to make those sounds though. Other than like finding like the perfect couple of sound effects.
I mean, I'm sure you can find it.
Okay, so
Can't be this. It can't be that hard with that thing. I feel like a lot of people will probably want that specific kind of sound.
sure, I don't think it's hard to find, but I want to create it.
Oh.
So what I meant by that was like using this like sound effect generator to like kind of randomly generate the correct sounds and then find, I guess like playing with maybe the pitch and the frequency of it to get various tones of the same one and then just like stitch them all together.
Yeah. I can see that.
That would be Roxy, right? It's like the most annoying. You want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
My name's Roxy.
I mean, we could do what we did in the game jam and like record our voices last second. Just throw it in there.
Could do that. Just make like gesture noises like.
No, actually speak the lines.
Oh, okay. That'd be kind of cool. That's definitely not an old school Nintendo thing, though.
No, it's not at all. They had some voices in some games, but it was like maybe if it was like a racing game, it would be like, "Store," and it'd be kind of muffled.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Mortal Kombat had some good voices. Like the
Yeah.
announcer guy.
Get over here.
Oh, that too. Yeah, that's true. All right. I think that's it for today. I guess I can make it fade into the scene. Yeah, I'll make it fade in to the very first scene.
Gonna break it down.
Oh, I also got to do saving. I've never even put that on the list of things to do. Damn.
Saving your game?
Yeah. Saving the damn game.
How many levels do you have?
It will have 10 once it's all said and done, as far as I can tell. I can add more pretty easily, but I can't add more worlds, more chapters, I guess you could say. So, saving the game, pretty important. Save to player prefs, maybe. I don't know. It seems fine. I don't know where it stores it. And how potentially safe that is, I don't know. Continue menu option will get the world/level to go to Barbados. Yeah. I mean, that's the only real thing that needs to be saved is what level you got to, because there's nothing really else you can do in the game. There's no like leveling up or different guns or armor or items or anything.
Right, but you're just talking about storing it locally temporarily.
Temporarily?
I mean, where are you going to store it? You going to have a database for this?
No. I mean, why is it temporary
Save
though? I mean,
local.
temporary in the sense that
Oh, because you're saying because it's a local save file.
yeah.
Gotcha.
So it's really not that crazy, honestly. Like I can, what is it, like player prefs? Class that stores player preferences between game sessions. It can store string, float, integer value. Yeah. Player prefs that set int. Yeah, that seems like that would be the extent of the saving and loading for now. It's not that crazy. Oh, maybe a high score. Yeah, that could be something. Oh yeah, I was talking to my brother about his because he's making the multiplayer server, right? And I talked to him the other day about adding support for a very simple database service. So even if you weren't doing a multiplayer game, you could still use his service just if you wanted to store remote data for your game.
Okay.
I just figured that would be interesting, just to save high scores, just to have a database of high scores.
And then how would you reach it? Is it more like an API kind of thing?
It'd be an API endpoint, and I'd have an API key and an app ID and stuff like that.
Would be cool. I could see that, especially if it is something real small that you're storing like that.
Should probably find a way to hide that on the stream.
Hide what?
Hide the API key and app ID.
Oh. Put Sharpie on your screen?
Yeah, exactly. Okay. That's it for the stream.
Cool.
We out of here. I was gonna make it fade in, wasn't I? Yeah, I was.
So you're gonna do that?
Yeah, I did. Alright, so
you did also just say the stream's over.
Oh man. This is like when androids have like conflicting commands and their heads explode.
Yeah, exactly.
do have a canvas here, so that kind of is good. So let's see, create empty overlay, image, probably bigger than that. There we go. Same deal. So as soon as the camera, does this have like any controllers on here or anything? Oh, let me apply all to this. I do have a game camera. I'm just gonna use the game camera. So I'm gonna have a, where's my update? Oops. So I guess I need a overlay. Image. I could use the sprite, honestly. Whatever. Image, overlay. I gotta find HUD? No. Canvas. Overlay. Not get component. Image. Dot color. Oh, right. I'm not trying to find the damn thing. So dumb. Okay. Equals overlay dot color. Overlay color dot a plus equals time. Overlay color. No. Overlay dot color equals overlay color. And that ought to, oh wait, no, this should be a minus. And the overlay has to start off by being there. Or I could make it so it's not always like that. As soon as the game starts, this color dot white, just like that. And I just have to set the overlay on the camera. This should be public. Start this level. Okay, that kind of worked. So if I do that from the menu, no, save, title, here. Good enough. Very cool. Alright, got the menu working. It goes to a new game. It fades out and in to a white overlay. And I added menu sound effects. Pretty productive day. More or less. Alright. Be back tomorrow for more I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing next exactly. Maybe the continue and saving stuff. We'll see. Take it easy.